Don't even see me standing there. I give my all, you're unaware. I'm falling fast, you're standing still. And loving you just makes me ill. I taste your name like cherry wine, sweet at first then burns in time. But I still sip it just in case you ever look at me that way. You talk to me like I'm your friend, but I keep hoping it might bend. One little touch, a longer glance, I swear I'd take that kind of chance. I don't know how hard I try to keep my cool and smile beside you, but I break every time you do that thing you do, but not for me. Don't even see me standing